The DJI Mini 5 Pro has quickly become one of the most talked about drones among enthusiasts worldwide. This lightweight and compact drone is generating excitement because it represents the next evolution of the popular Mini series. Even though DJI recently launched the Neo drone, which is more focused on casual vlogging and everyday moments, the Mini 5 Pro is stealing the spotlight for its potential to elevate aerial photography to new heights. In this video, we'll explore the rumored features, possible release timeline, and exciting upgrades that could make the Mini 5 Pro a game-changer for both beginner and experienced drone users who crave high-quality performance. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is being talked about as the next big step for DJI's Mini series. And it's got people really excited with every version of the Mini series. DJI keeps showing what a small and lightweight drone can really do. And now everyone's curious to see how the Mini 5 Pro will improve things. What makes this series so popular is its lightweight, which keeps it under 250 grams. This means users in places like the United States can fly it without needing an FAA license. This makes it great for both beginners and casual users who want something easy and fun to fly. One of the coolest rumors is that the Mini 5 Pro might come with a 1-inch sensor. This would be an upgrade from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Mini 4 Pro. Why is this a big deal? Because a larger sensor means better image quality. It helps make photos and videos sharper and more detailed. Plus, it performs better in low light, so if you love flying your drone at sunrise, sunset, or even at night, this is a feature you'll really appreciate. It's not just about the resolution either. DJI seems to be focusing on things like better colors, sharper textures, and more balanced highlights and shadows. So the overall quality of photos and videos could feel more professional. Another big thing people are expecting is smarter tracking. With every new model, DJI improves how well its drones can follow moving subjects, and the Mini 5 Pro might take this to the next level. It could be great for following fast-moving objects like bikes, cars, or people running around. This would make it perfect for anyone who loves action-packed shots or wants to film sports events. Improved AI tracking could also make flying easier for beginners, because the drone can handle some of the hard work for them, so you can focus more on getting the perfect shot. Another area where the Mini 5 Pro might shine is its connectivity. Some rumors suggest it could come with 5G connectivity, which would make live video feeds smoother and more reliable. Imagine being able to see everything your drone sees in real time without any lag. This would not only make flying easier, but also open up options for things like live streaming or capturing quick action shots with better control. Now let's talk about flight time. The Mini 4 Pro already gives you around 40 minutes of flying on a single charge, so it's exciting to think that the Mini 5 Pro might match that or even do a little better. DJI is really good at finding ways to improve battery life without making the drone heavier, so users can probably expect some clever battery design or more efficient motors when it comes to design. The Mini series is known for being super portable and easy to carry around. The Mini 5 Pro will likely keep this foldable design, which is great for people who love to travel and want a drone that can fit in their bag. This lightweight design also means it stays within the rules in a lot of countries, so you can fly it almost anywhere without worrying about breaking any laws. Safety features are also something people are looking forward to. The Mini 4 Pro introduced obstacle sensing that works in every direction, and the Mini 5 Pro might improve this even more. Better sensors could mean it avoids obstacles more accurately, so you can fly with more confidence, whether you're a beginner or someone flying in tricky spots. Better safety features are always a good thing. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like it's going to be an amazing drone for both new and experienced users. With a bigger sensor, smarter tracking, and better connectivity, it offers a lot of exciting upgrades. Plus, it stays true to what makes the Mini series so special: its lightweight design and ease of use, whether you're just starting out or looking to capture professional-level shots. This drone could be a fantastic choice. It's the kind of drone that gives you a perfect mix of fun and functionality. So, what are your thoughts on the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Are you excited about its potential new features like the bigger sensor or enhanced tracking? Or is there something else you're looking forward to? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about this rumored next step in DJI's Mini series. If you enjoyed this overview, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Factic for all the latest updates on DJI's newest releases and other groundbreaking tech news. Stay tuned as we keep tracking the leaks and rumors about this exciting drone.